Hi, my name's Howard, founder of How to Drive, and today I'd like to share with you my top tips for parallel parking. So if you, like many people, struggle to park between two cars on the road, or you may be preparing to take your driving test, this video will have something for you. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Tip 1. Pick your spot and let others know what you're doing. Identify your intended parking space and check if it's big enough. It may sound obvious, but so many drivers attempt to park in spaces that are just too small and forget to let other drivers behind know what's going on. Look for spaces that are at least 1.5 times the length of your car. To help you judge, just pull up alongside the space and make an assessment. Remember to signal to inform the car behind what you're doing. By doing this, your position and signal will make it more obvious to the driver behind that you intend to park. They can then either pull round you if there's room, or just wait for you to finish parking. So, if you have a vehicle following closely behind you, you'll need to manage them. Avoid driving past your space, thus allowing the driver behind to follow you up there. This may cause them confusion as they do not yet know you intend to park in the space. If they do follow you past the space, they may not be prepared to back up for you, especially if they have a car behind. Or they may even be thinking about parking in that spot for themselves. By taking a few moments to plan your park, you'll reduce the stress levels and you'll manage the driver behind you too. Okay, so tip 2, use a simple system. Use a system which is easy to remember. Here's one you can use with just 3 simple steps. Step 1, turn left to swing out the front. Step 2, get to a 45-degree angle, straighten your wheels and back up near to the curb. And step 3, turn to the right so that you finish parallel. Okay, so let's break that down and look at step 1. Once you've pulled up alongside the target vehicle, keep your wheels straight and back up so that your rear wheels are just past the target vehicle. It's important to do this as your car will pivot on its rear axle, and this will ensure you have enough room to swing the front in later. Step 2. After checking it's safe, turn to the left to swing out the front to a 45-degree angle. Now straighten your wheels and back up so you're closer to the curb. You'll need to pick up a reference point to help you recognise when you're close enough. You can use the left door mirror to do this. When the curb vanishes, you're good. Step 3. Now you're close enough to the curb, steer to the right. Once parallel, straighten your wheels by steering left. And that's it, you're done. You've parked in 3 simple steps. Okay, so tip 3, stay alert and be aware of your surroundings. To stay safe, you'll need to look all around your vehicle when manoeuvring. You'll want to take all round effective observation. To help you improve your situational awareness, you can turn the volume down on your radio, ask the kids to be quiet, or maybe crack open the windows so you can hear what's going on all around you. You'll need to look all around your vehicle, including out the back window and to the sides, to reduce your blind spots. These are the bits the mirrors don't see. You can take off your seatbelt if you wish, if this makes it any easier to look out the back. Now, you can see and hear what's going on all around you. Take your time and concentrate on what you're doing. Use your mirrors as these will help you to see the curb, but don't fixate on any one place. Keep looking all around and be prepared to wait for people passing by. Remember, other road users will have priority over you as you're the one reversing. Be prepared to wait and let them pass. If they hang back and let you go, make eye contact and carry on, making sure that you acknowledge and thank them. Okay, so tip 4, practice. As they say, practice makes perfect. The best way to learn is by getting out there and doing it. You'll soon develop your parking skills and it will become much easier. If you're already taking driving lessons, you can practice with your instructor, or if you've already got your licence, you can practice on your own. At first, practice somewhere quiet and get used to parking behind a single car like they do on the driving tests. Learn the reference points for your car so you know when to turn. After a few practices, you'll improve and be parking nice and close to the curb. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always move forwards and correct yourself. Don't expect to be perfect on your first few goes, you'll improve over time. Soon, you'll grow in confidence and you'll be able to take your new parking skills to busier roads. If you're preparing to take the test, you'll need to be able to do this manoeuvre. During the test, the examiner may ask you to pull up on the left behind a parked car, making sure you leave enough room to get out. You'll then be asked to pull up alongside the vehicle in front and reverse back so you finish reasonably close and parallel to the curb. You'll need to complete the manoeuvre within 2 car lengths and try not to touch the curb. Take your time, look all round and out the back, and you'll be fine. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching and I hope you found those tips useful. Please like, subscribe and please leave comments about what you'd like me to cover next. My name's Howard, founder of How to Drive, and I'll catch you in the next video.